In front of me is a Stanley S241, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will then hold power key and a volume up. So now that it's off, power key and a volume up, hold both of those keys together. And you want to keep holding them till you see the Android with no command. Okay, so you can let go now. And from here, all you need to do is hold power key and tap a volume up once, so just like so. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from this mode, you will use volume keys to navigate, so volume down to go down and up to go up. And power key will be used to confirm whatever we select. And from here, you can apply updates, perform a reset of the device, a wipe cache, and several other things, as you can see. And I'm just gonna select as an example reboot system now, which will go back to the normal Android system. And once I have it selected, all I need to do is just press power key and the device reboots. And there we go. So that is how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.